Okay, so right now let me talk about how you can trim photos on the iPhone. Let me explain the whole thing. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, trimming, the term, is mostly used with the videos where you trim the actual footage. When it comes to the photos, it's mostly referred to as cropping the photos, but I obviously know what you mean. And the way that you can do this is by going to the Photos app and opening up the picture in a full screen, clicking the buttons to edit, go to the edit mode, and there is the crop tool at the bottom, right? So you can adjust the area of the image by cropping it and changing the aspect ratio, or you can pick from the options and deciding that you want to specifically make it a square or a wallpaper, or all of these different aspect ratios which you can pick from. So that's how you can do this. Of course, you can also create a video from it if you imported the photo into the CapCut or some other video editors, and then you basically turn the photo into a video which can be trimmed as an actual footage. So that is probably less common, or not the thing that you have in mind, but yeah, you can also just turn the photo into a video through the video editors as well. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.